This tutorial covers the UNI 3 programming included with the Simulation Learning Experiences packages. The SLE scenario packages provide you with a library of ready-to-use, evidence-based scenarios. This invaluable support content is designed to help you maximize training and learning. The scenario package includes scenario content mapped to your educational objectives, pre-programmed UNI 3 scenarios, and a facilitator's guide designed to help you plan, set up, and facilitate the SLE. These resources are designed so you can incorporate the new material quickly and easily to your education program. To access the scenario programming included with the SLE package, click Scenario at the top of UNI 3. Select the scenario that matches the one you want to run from the facilitator's guidebook and click Load. The left side of the scenario window shows a map of the scenario. You can click any node to see more details about that part of the scenario. During a scenario, vital signs will change automatically to simulate the patient's condition and respond to select actions by the provider. Follow along on the right side of the window with the facilitator's guide to mark off key events or direct the scenario as per the facilitator's guide. You can override settings at any time or pause the scenario to run on the fly.